Ron!
Who are you?
I'm Harry Potter, you?
No, you're not. Harry Potter has a scar on his head.
Dude, my scar's right here.
Oh, yeah, that's right. Yeah, Hollywood put the scar on your face.
Yeah, okay, come on.
Wait, so what's going on?
I think the janitor's a death eater.
What?
Yeah, so, dude, look at him over there, see?
Hey, how many times do I have to tell you? You need to flush every time. Because you know who has to clean that up? Me. Don't make me put on my mask and cast evil spells on you.
Okay, sorry.
You know, yet again, it is still a suspicion.
May 14th. Dear Mother, I believe the janitor is a Death Eater.
I'm a Death Eater. I'm a Death Eater. I'm a Death Eater.
What?
I'm a Death Eater. 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 I'm a Death Eater.
Hey, wait a minute. Is it supposed to be here?
Scooby-Dooby-Doo, where are you? We got some work to do now. Scooby-Dooby-Doo, where are you? We need some help from you now. You know we got a mystery to solve, so Scooby-Doo, be ready for your act. Don't hold back. And Scooby-Doo, if you come through, you're gonna have yourself a Scooby.
What are they?
Hey,
I hit the sack. I'm gonna eat this now.
Run! Do something! Teach us!
Keep going.
Oh, my glasses!
I'm gonna stomp your closet. Oh.
It is over.
Oh, what are you touching? Oh. Yeah.